In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play games in Google Chrome. If you ever need a quick mental reset between tasks, Chrome makes it easy to jump into a game without installing big programs or signing up for anything. I'll walk you through the fastest options, from the built-in classic to quick searches and full game installs, so you can pick the level of distraction that fits your break. First up is the game that's already built into Chrome. In the address bar, type Chrome/Dino and press Enter. You'll see the little T-Rex on a desert screen. Press the spacebar to start the Dino run. It even works when you don't have an internet connection, which makes it perfect for travel or spotty Wi-Fi. Tap space or the up arrow to jump over cacti, and use the down arrow to duck under flying obstacles. The pace speeds up over time, so it stays challenging without any setup. Next, you can launch classic games straight from a Google search. In the search box, type Pac-Man or Snake and hit Enter. At the top of the results, you'll see a playable panel with a play button. Click play and you're in instantly, right inside the results page. These minis are great for a quick 2-minute session. Arrow keys control movement, and when you're done, just close the tab or press back to return to work. For more variety, head to the Chrome Web Store and open the Games category. Here you'll find thousands of titles, from puzzle and strategy to action and arcade, all designed to run directly in your browser. Browse by rating and reviews, preview screenshots, and when you find something you like, click Add to Chrome to install. Most of these games load in a tab, some can work offline, and many save progress to your browser profile. Skim each description to see the features you care about. Any games you install will live in your extensions menu. To find them, click the puzzle piece icon at the top right of Chrome. You'll see your installed game shortcuts there. Select one to launch whenever you need a focused, distraction-free break. Keeping them in the menu makes them easy to reach without cluttering your browser. Need a quick break between tasks? Here's the quick guide to finding and playing games directly inside Google Chrome. Work hard, play hard. You're all set? Done.